Welcome! In this video, I will answer the most important Thailand questions. And if you want me to answer your specific question, there's a link to a form below. Drop your question, get it answered. Do Thais celebrate New Year when we celebrate New Year? No. Thai New Year is in April. Songkran, the water festival. It's fantastic. Everyone has a water gun and buckets, and you won't stay dry for 2 minutes. It's very good. Everybody wears flower shirts and is very happy. Mid-April. Tip: Pattaya, Soy 6, Queen Victoria Hotel. Review link down in the description. Can I rent a scooter? Do I need a license? You can rent everything, and Thais will give you everything, but it is illegal without a license, and they are never insured. You even need an international driving permit. The reality is rental shops won't really check, but police will, just because they need money. So be prepared to pay 500 to 1,000 baht fine, and if you crash, it gets expensive. So be careful. Is the beach open? Yeah, yes and no. Closes annually for 2 months, typically August, September, for coral recovery. And you cannot swim anymore. You can only walk on the beach with hundreds of Chinese and Indian tour groups and take photos of them. So thanks, Hollywood. By the way, I made a video about how Hollywood changed Thailand forever. Are ping pong shows worth the money? No. Imagine a very, very old person putting things inside. Yeah, and if you try to leave, you have to pay a really high amount of money, and they won't let you go if you don't pay the money. So again, ignore local men on the street who offer you things like that. Are there any animal risks? Oh yes, mosquito, dengue, silent killer, sandflies on the beach, jellyfish, sea urchins, sharks, and many reptiles and insects. I made a whole video about the animal dangers and the snakes. Link below. What is a jet ski scam? First of all, it's not a Russian. It's not on jet ski. It's the jet ski, and it's infamous in Phuket and Pattaya. The setup: you rent a jet ski because it's so cool, and then you return it, and then suddenly everything is broken up. You make big scratch because the waves usually put so big scratches inside the jet ski, and then they demand 50,000 baht. Prevention: don't rent a jet ski. But if you think your life depends on it, then take a video before you touch it. Everything, film everything, but again, let others rent it. Why do people stop walking in the middle of the day? I guess you mean 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. That's the national anthem plays in public spaces like markets, train stations, parks. Everybody starts walking, stands up, and listens to the national anthem. Wonderful moment. Do it too. It's a sign of respect. Can I order food delivery to my hotel? Oh yes, absolutely. Download Grab or the 7-Eleven app that you can download only in Thailand. They work exactly like Uber Eats, and then you meet a driver in the lobby and eat the best food in the world. Very good if you have a hangover. I want to stay in a floating bungalow. Where? You will find these in Khao, but they are very expensive. Check the prices often if you find a good deal, or just go for one night. Any health precautions and food safety tips? I'm not a doctor. Speak to your doctor. I can't give you any medical advice. For food, don't drink tap water and eat at busy, well-rated, clean places. Street food is fantastic, but just look at the stall, look at the guys, look at the guests. Is it busy and clean and nice and looks good, smells good, looks fresh? You will have the best experience. What is the jam scam? A bit like the palace scam. A local man, as always, approaches you. Where are you going? If you are naive and you tell him where are you going, of course he will tell you your place is closed. Doesn't want to ruin your day, so he suggests a better alternative, like a government export center, very official, that is selling tax-free jams for 1 day only. Oh my god, you're so lucky. The result is these jams are worthless. Colored glass, you lose 2,000 baht and ruin your day. I'm solo. How do I meet people? If you want to meet foreigners in Thailand, hostels, tour groups, or a fitness vacation. And if you want to meet Thai women, nightlife. What are soy dogs? Soy means street and dog is dog, so they are street dogs and they are everywhere. They sleep all day, bark all night, are quite cute and beautiful, but sometimes a little bit unpredictable. So if you're scared of dogs, Thailand is not necessarily the best country in the world for you. Is it weird to eat alone in a restaurant? Sounds a bit sad, but this is what I've been doing for the last 28 years. At the beginning, it's a bit weird and you think everybody is staring at you because you're so alone. And then you realize nobody cares about you. Nobody looks. And the benefit, you don't have to wait for the other person to finally decide what he or she wants to eat. Plus, the dishes in Thailand usually are a little bit smaller than in the West, so it's not like you're sitting there for 1.5 hours. You usually sit there for 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Always something to look. I always sit so I can watch the chef and the staff. One good tip is, if you see a table full of motorbike drivers or policemen, ask them, can I sit here? They will usually be a little bit like shocked, but happy to have you. Of course, they don't understand any word of English and they cannot talk to you, but if they see you enjoy the food, they will celebrate you and will, oh, very good verlang, oh, you have a nice little memory. Can I fly my drone? Not without paperwork. You have to register it. It takes sometimes months. And if you fly without registration and get caught, the fines are huge. Upper or lower on a sleepier train? I would say lower. Wider, has a window, doesn't require climbing, costs only around 100 baht, so low. And if you want more fascinating Thailand insights, watch this video where I break down my complete Thailand trip operating system. Everything I know in one click.